Hello friend, in this video we will see the Italic and EM tag. Friend, Italic stand for italic text, okay, and EM tag stand for emphasized text. Just like we have seen in last video, the semantic meaning, same thing happens about italic tag, okay. I tag also italic your text, EM tag also format your text italic, okay. Output is same for both tag. There is no difference in output, but I tag just provide italic formatting to your text and EM tag providing the semantic meaning to your text. So what is the emphasize? Emphasize means whenever you want to show something important or something different in your page or emphasize your text to user, in that case we will do the italic formatting to our text. So W3C group wants whenever you want to emphasize your text to user, okay, particular text in your line, in that case you have to use EM tag. So EM tag have its semantic meaning. So when browser process I tag, it is just do italic, but when browser process EM tag, it take it as an important note or important text in that line, okay. Just like strong tag, when browser processing B tag, it is taken at just bold text, okay, but whenever you use strong tag, it shows browser or it tells browser this is the important text in this line. So browser also render it and process it like important text. Same thing happen here. Whenever you use EM tag, browser will take it as emphasized text. So this is our example. Same last example I have repeated here. Just I change these tags, B tag to I tag and strong tag to EM tag. Everything else same. Let's see what are the output. So see this text here, this same formatting are the same in the both case, just difference is the semantic meaning. So whenever you want to show some emphasized word or different text on page, in that case you have to use EM tag. Let's see its biography. Both tag, EM tag and I tag come in pair, both are inline element, both supported by all major browser, all attributes supported to both elements. Just one difference is W3C group wants try to avoid I tag, and whenever you need, use EM tag in your page. In next video we will see what are the pre-formatted text in HTML. Thank you.